great little mover, I must say. Wow, this train is away now. So this is the start of our journey from Dover Priory to the next large town, which is Deal, which is 7 miles away. And we're going to do it on the motorcycle every station from here to Deal. So here we go, leaving Dover Priory now. We're about half a mile from Dover Priory, and this is Buckland Junction. I hope you can see it alright through the wire fence. This is where Buckland Junction signal was, but it don't exist anymore. So half a mile from Dover, we're up the hill. This is the steepest hill in Dover. And already we're this high after half a mile. I don't know if you can see, up there on the hill is where the railway will be in another half mile. It's right up there. Very, very steep rails. So that's Buckland Junction for you. I thought I'd named the site after this. This is where I used to come and visit the signal box down there. There you go, there's the javelin, and you can see how it's wheeling. It's a tight corner, and it really is a gradient. It's only about a mile now down to Dover Priory, which is down there in the town, and we're about 100 feet up here. It really is a steep line. I think the coal trucks from Betsanger Colliery were banned from coming this way because of the gradient was so great. Here we go, Guston now. Please excuse the wind, but my model railway is based on this. There's the bridge, there's the warehouse, which I've made it into a wood yard. So that's it, this is the curve. It's not easy to work out, but I'll show you a picture from the other side. There's Dover Castle, lovely Dover Castle. This is the other end of the Guston Tunnel. And from about where the bridge that I'm standing on, this is the gradient starts here and it finishes down at Dover Priory. So it's all the way downhill, now about 2 miles to Dover Priory. And we're up about, I reckon about 280 feet here. I hope you can hear me over the wind noise, but this is a great place. It's Guston Bridge. We should get a blast on the whistle. That's it, she's hit the summit. And great place to see trains, because any steam specials coming, this is a place to come and see it, because you've got like 1.5 miles, maybe more, of track. So next stop, where we go? There's another train line here, going up and around the corner there. And that was to bring the stone down into Dover Docks, I believe. And the train line crept all the way up the Dover cliffs. I'll show you a picture of it. This is the best I can do. It's Dover Castle. And here's the railway line working its way up the cliff. And I think it was to bring millions of tons of granite rock from the north down to build the eastern and western arms of Dover Docks. Onwards we go, Martin Mill Station next. And this is the delightful village of Martin Mill. There's no mill anymore. And this is the station. I I was here about 6 months ago to watch Clan Line come through. So that's Martin Mill Station. Onwards we go. I hope you can hear me alright. One, I've got my crash helmet on because I'm still on the bike, and just here's the railway line. It's slowly descending down into the Deal, which is on the flat. We're going to go down to Cold Blow Crossing, and look at that lovely windmill up there. It is a working mill. It is a working mill. She's always pointing into the wind. Excellent. Well, we've arrived at Cold Blow Crossing. It's a manual. You operate the gates yourself. Look. How's that? And that's where we're going next. Walmer Station. Yeah, there we go. It's all hand operated gates. Alright, let's go further on. We're at Walmer Station now. You can definitely see that's going down a gradient there. Some nice new build houses there. This is Walmer Station. And you can see behind the train that's just coming in, there's quite a gradient behind him. That's a gradient up towards Dover, as we're on the downs. There we go. We'll watch this go and then we'll be off to Deal. That's it, she's away. Lovely jubbly, there we go. And there we have it. We've arrived at our destination of Deal. Just 7 miles from Dover Priory. Let's go and have a little look. And here we are, Deal Station. And look what we've got. Semaphore signal. There's one at the other end of the platform as well. So, and Deal had a centre passing loop, which is now gone. They've still got a nice lattice bridge there, so we'll go and have a look. And right at the very end of the is a signal box, and I'm going to go round and take a photograph of that as well. Have a good look at that as well. Well, I've just come into the where the ticket office used to be. It's all open. There's a painter in here, I reckon, because it stinks of paint. And nice to see the station open. Well, there we go. Another semaphore signal. I'm going to have to take a picture of that. There she is. I'm going to go and have a look at that signal box that's just peeking out there. Maybe it's still in use. Looks like there's a small siding here as well. Lovely lattice bridge, spanning 3 tracks. Just needs a bit of paint, that's all. Apart from that, tickety-boo. Let's go and have a look at that signal box. And that's the end of Deal Station. There we go. That's looking back at Deal Station. There's a small siding here. Passing track would have gone down through the middle there. Now look at this. Look at that. I think it's an air raid protected signal box. Quite a rare looking signal box. There we go. Look at that. I think it's an air raid protected signal box. I'm not sure. I think Barry Davis might have done some training here. So yeah, what a great signal box that is. So one of the few last remaining working signal boxes. I'm not sure about Sandwich. There's a nice signal box there you'll see in the next video. So and I think there's a train coming. There we go, the semaphore signal is up and here comes the Javelin. So this really is the end of this video. I nearly missed it by a couple of minutes, so here we go. Alan! Ow! Well, I gather this is the end of this video. From Dover to Deal, counting all stations and everything else I could find in between. So my next journey starts here and ends in Ramsgate. So that's next station is Sandwich, then Minster and Moncton, then maybe a new build station near Ramsgate and Ramsgate itself. So that's the next video. I can't wait to do it on my motorbike, probably next week. So take care, good people. Alan out.